Hello everyone, this is Jordan. I know it's been a long time since I made a K-pop or MOMOLAND related video. Ever since the ECQ has been lifted, I've been swamped with work trying to get my life back on track, and the current situation of the world is not helping either. But I hope that everyone is safe there in your homes, wherever you are. Always remember to wash your hands, maintain social distancing, and of course, always pray and hope that tomorrow will be a better day. As you can see, I'm doing my part with social distancing. I have my friends over here in the studio. I haven't been here in like 4 to 5 months, so I'm just getting back on track with my videos. Anyway, something special came in the mail today and I just had to do an unboxing video of it. This is the special mini album called Starry Night from, of course, MOMOLAND. Of course, we will be doing an unboxing of this. We will be talking about the latest music video. Guys, please stay until the end of the video because to celebrate our first 1,000 subscribers, I will be giving away a MOMOLAND Fun to the World mini album to a lucky subscribers. So make sure you subscribe, like this video, and comment your thoughts down below for more future giveaways. So without much further ado, let's get down to our unboxing. By the way, a big shout out to Mary Squad PH. They're an awesome MOMOLAND fan club dedicated to all things MOMOLAND. Guys, they went an extra mile to make sure that we receive our albums, and I can't disclose anything else, but they really went to hell and back just to acquire these albums. And they provided us with awesome freebies that we will be seeing later on. It's still inside, so I'm pretty psyched about it. So, what do you think of the latest video of Starry Night? Well, to be honest, I was surprised at first because I guess we were really excited with all the photo reveals, fan speculations, and theories. We were expecting a full-blown music video, like an emotional one for the fans. Turns out, we got a vertical video of the group singing along to the title track. I guess we expected too much. I mean, at first, yeah, I was disappointed, but disappointed is too much for the term. But at the succeeding times I streamed the video, I started to appreciate what they were trying to convey. Yes, given the fact that our ladies really looked good in the video, I started feeling a lot of relaxation. That's how I understood it. The song Starry Night is the kind of song you'd listen to as you drive around the city in a cold, breezy night while admiring the skylights while thinking about life stuff. Then I look at the video again and the scenario they were in. Relax. Like a picnic, just singing along, enjoying each other's company. Something I know all of us need right now in these hard times. I felt comforted that our girls are safe, and they were able to come up with something for us fans to remind us that they are out there working to keep us happy, and that felt good. And that's how I see and understand their special video. And then they came up with a behind the scenes video a few days later, and I thought to myself, that should have been the video. But hey, I'm not complaining. We got 2 videos. Also, this wasn't a comeback. It was just something special for us Marys around the world. So, how about you guys? What are your thoughts? Let me know how you like the music video in the comments down below, and I'd love to read them on my future MOMOLAND videos. Alright guys, that's it. This is MOMOLAND Starry Night. Well, I really appreciate all the love that I put in to make this album possible. Guys, we are all aware of everything that our favorite group has been through this past few months. And as a merry-go-round, I would like to thank each and every one of you Marys for holding on to the group, for staying with them, for always supporting and cheering them on. Our support gives them all the strength and motivation to keep working harder for us Marys. 9 or 6, they always will be a big part of our lives. So as a thank you for supporting my channel as well, guys, we finally reached our first 1,000 subscribers. To celebrate that, I'll be giving away a copy of MOMOLAND's Fun to the World mini album. I'll be sending this out to a lucky subscriber for free. You don't have to pay for anything. Philippine residents only. We're just at 1,000 subscribers. No, maybe so. All you gotta do is to subscribe to this channel, follow me on all my social media accounts, like this video, and comment your thoughts about Starry Night down below. I'll be picking the winner within a couple of weeks. I'll be posting them on my Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook account. Guys, I'm planning to do a lot more random giveaways on my videos, and I do appreciate all the likes, comments, and suggestions that you give me, so this is my way of giving back to you. My channel consists of travel, music, food, games eventually, and of course K-pop. And thank you guys for staying here and helping my channel grow. Thank you for helping me reach my first 1,000 milestone, and I hope that you stay with me as we go for more. So that's it. Thanks again. See you guys on the next video. Peace out.